Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Grammar Quizzes. So let's begin. My sister is engineer. Dog is barking loudly outside. She's looking for job. Students in my class are very smart. I'm going to gym after work. Orange juice is my favorite drink. Book on the shelf is missing a cover. She bought new dress for the party. Can I have apple, please? Moon was shining brightly in sky. So if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. This motivates me to make more English quizzes for you. Subscribe our channel, Grammar Quizzes, for more upcoming and interesting quizzes. See you in the next quiz.